Inside the facility, the process begins with large, rotating drums. The hides are then meticulous.
This is the main artery of the facility, a highly organized logistics operation handling only finished.
These pallets hold the carefully salted hides, the essential first step in modern leather manufacturing before the tanning process begins.
Here at the facility, strict hygiene protocols are followed as the raw hides are prepared for the tanning process.
The process starts with the hides entering the processing section, guided by advanced factory automation.
The process begins with thorough cleaning in these massive stainless steel drums, ensuring all raw hides are pristine before tanning. The hides are loaded into these massive drums, where high-pressure water removes all impurities before the tanning process can begin. The process begins here, with the hides submerged in large, temperature-controlled tanks to ensure thorough rehydration. In these large soaking drums, the hides undergo a critical phase of rehydration and cleaning, rotating slowly.
Controlled handling is crucial at this stage to prevent damage, as the limed hides are prepared for the next phase. Using precise mechanical movement, the hides are slowly fed into the massive drums to begin the tanning process. Once the seal is secured, the heavy drum begins its rotation, marking the start of the crucial tanning phase.
These massive drums are the heart of the tanning process, slowly rotating the hides to ensure uniform saturation and quality.
The heavy wooden drums slowly rotate, allowing the hides inside to be thoroughly penetrated by the tanning agents.
Inside the massive rotating drum, the hides undergo a gentle water-based treatment. This modern
Here we see the automated chemical dosing system at work, ensuring the precise industrial measurement required for modern leather manufacturing.
This smooth, controlled rotation is essential for the even penetration of the tanning agents deep into the fibers.
Here the raw hides are tumbled in a chromium sulfate solution, beginning the tanning process that transforms them into durable leather. Once the tanning cycle is complete, the mechanical unloading system extracts the hides with precision, ensuring a clean transfer to the next stage.
The tanning process stabilizes the collagen, giving the hides this distinct beige color and ensuring
The hides are moved into these massive drums for the initial chemical treatment phase, a crucial step in modern leather manufacturing.
The hides are slowly rotating in the retanning solution, ensuring even absorption and industrial precision. In the modern era, the tanning process is highly controlled, utilizing these massive drums to ensure consistency and quality.
The hides are now exiting the retanning drum, where the tanning agents have stabilized the collagen fibers.
This machine precisely splits the wet blue hide, ensuring an even thickness across both the grain and the split.
In a display of modern precision, the massive splitting rollers divide the tanned hide, creating
The hides are now transferred to the neutralization tanks for the critical chemical balancing stage.
The neutralization process is critical, carefully adjusting the hide's pH levels in a controlled environment to prepare them for tanning.
In these massive drums, the prepared cowhides tumble in rich solutions, beginning the vital coloring stage. Once sealed, the dyeing process begins, ensuring even color penetration deep into the fibers. The hides are slowly exiting the massive dyeing drum, the rich color evenly absorbed deep into the fibers.
The dyed leather moves along the conveyor, inspected by high-tech sensors to guarantee flawless color uniformity across the entire hide.
Advanced automation guides the tanned hides through the climate-controlled tunnel, optimizing the drying process.
The drying process is critical. As you can see in this macro view, the fibers bind tightly, ensuring a smooth, durable surface. After drying, the hides maintain a stable shape and rich color, showcasing the efficiency of modern manufacturing. In the conditioning phase, the hides are treated with specialized softening agents and gently tumbled to ensure a supple finish.
The staking machine uses smooth, repetitive motion to mechanically flex the cowhide, increasing its softness.
Our automated staking process ensures maximum flexibility, revealing the rich, premium texture of the leather grain. The surface coating application is a critical step, ensuring an even finish through a highly controlled industrial process.
To achieve the desired consistency, the hides are fed through the buffing machine. The rotating brushes gently.
The final stage of polishing reveals the true character of the hide, ensuring a smooth, premium finish without compromising the natural grain.
The oscillating cutting head, guided by laser precision, trims the hide with industrial accuracy, minimizing.
Here in the sorting area, every hide is meticulously inspected. The approved leather is moved to the left.
In this vast, climate-controlled warehouse, thousands of premium cowhides are stored, ready for the next stage of manufacturing. Quality control is paramount. Every hide undergoes rigorous inspection before moving to the automated packaging line.
We're checking the thickness here. It has to be precise. Yeah.
And the chalk just highlights the natural variations before cutting.
Consistency is key in modern leather production. This gauge ensures uniform thickness across the entire hide.
The flexibility test ensures the leather maintains its integrity, bending smoothly without any signs of cracking or...
Advanced laser scanning ensures that only the highest grade leather proceeds down the line. Imperfections are immediately identified and diverted.
In our state-of-the-art facility, technology ensures every hide meets the highest standards of uniformity and cleanliness. In this state-of-the-art facility, every hide is meticulously rolled and coated, preserving the natural grain for years to come. The finished hides are carefully rolled and then wrapped in minimal plastic packaging to protect the grain before being moved to the warehouse.
Once tanned, the leather rolls are carefully transported to the warehouse for storage, ensuring a smooth logistical flow.
Okay, manifest confirms 40 bundles. Seal it up.
The finished hides are carefully stacked and wrapped, ready for their journey to manufacturers worldwide.
Easy now, keep it straight. Make sure it's flush against the bulkhead.
Looks good from here. Hand me the tensioner so I can secure it.
This is the finished product. The aniline dyes accentuate the natural grain, giving it this incredibly soft, supple finish. Our modern facility processes thousands of hides daily, ensuring consistent quality across a wide spectrum of colors and finishes.
After the stretching and drying process, every hide is meticulously inspected, ensuring the premium quality required for luxury goods.
From raw hide to finished product, our process ensures the highest standard of modern leather manufacturing.
From raw hide to finished product, every step is meticulously controlled by our expert technicians.
The process begins in these massive drums, where the hides are treated with a chromium sulfate solution, turning them this distinct wet blue.
From raw hide to finished product, our modern facility processes diverse breeds, ensuring quality control at every stage of the tanning process.